హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు హంసికా ఎస్టేట్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ సీకర్స్కి స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా మనకి రైజినియా స్కయాన్ అండి, బాచుపల్లి వెరీ గుడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ 5.6 ఎకరాస్లో నిర్మించబడిన ఈ గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ గురించి ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా తెలుసుకుందాం. ఇక్కడ మన రీసేల్ ఫ్లాట్ వచ్చింది 2223 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ అండి, 2223 ఎస్ఎఫ్టీ, ఈస్ట్ ఫేసింగ్ కార్నర్ ఫ్లాట్ మిడిల్ ఫ్లోర్లో ఉంది, వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్లాక్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద బిగ్ సైజ్ ఇన్ ద దిస్ కమ్యూనిటీ, గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ రైజినియా స్కయాన్. ఈ వీడియోని చివరి వరకు స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. ఆ ఫ్లాట్ ఇంటీరియర్ కూడా చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్గా వుడ్ వర్క్, డబుల్ నామినేటెడ్ వుడ్ వర్క్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. డబుల్ నామినేటెడ్ అనేది చాలా వరకు ఎవరికి తెలియదు. అంటే మనకి గోడ సైడ్ కూడా ఇది డెకోలం షీట్ అతికిచ్చి మిషన్ మేడెడ్ ఇది ఫిట్టింగ్ చేస్తారనమాట. నార్మల్గా ఇంటీరియర్ చేసేవాళ్ళు టు అవాయిడ్ ద కాస్ట్ని వాళ్ళు లాభం పొందడానికి బ్యాక్ సైడ్ గోడకు సైడ్ ఉన్న దానికి డైరెక్ట్ ప్లైవుడ్తోనే అంటించేస్తారు. కానీ ఇక్కడ డబుల్ లామినేటెడ్ షీట్ అనేది చేయడం జరిగింది. అంటే మీకు హై ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా చివరి వరకు చూడండి. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బీ క్లియర్ ఇయర్. అండ్ who are looking for a good investment kind of thing and good reasonable price they are quoting. So please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Have a nice day and journey with us and stay with us for more information about the properties here in Hyderabad, in and around. We also deals with the open plots, apartments, buildings, commercial spaces, commercial buildings, and hostel, open plots, hostel segments, many more things. So we also deals the like loans, all type of loans, personal loans, business loans, housing loans. Who are looking for your loans also, please approach us. And also one more thing, like if you find your own type find your property by yourself, we will give the service like end to end till the property to be hand out to your state. So we will take only 20,000 of fees for the only end to end transaction to done smoothly, like from scratch booking onwards to till flat handover or property handover, whatever the things. Like if you find your property by own yourself from builders or resale kind of thing, any type of transaction we will do smoothly till handover of the property to you buyer. Next, so please like, share and subscribe channel. And also who are looking for sell your property and post in our channel with the nominal fees, please approach us Hamsika Estates. We have very good ratings and very good customer baseline setup already done. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. And we are started the PMS, property management services, with starting from land selling to the till building collapsing kind of thing. So who are looking for any type of kind of property services, please approach us Hamsika Estates, like a tenant related or maintenance related or renovation kind of thing, many more things. Like this is 2223 square feet, UDS is 53 square yards, total 6 lakhs 756 units, and east facing corner flat sale in Risinia in Skyon, Bachupally. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And here chimneys, geysers, and extra like grills they are provided, already done. Full ventilation of the flat has thing, and a modular kitchen, and woodwork is very excellent. So ventilation is also excellent, and three bedrooms with attached bathrooms. So here this is 2223 square feet, east facing corner flat sale in mid floor in the Risinia Skyon. Who are looking a flat in the laviest gated community and very nearest to the prime international schools and colleges, many more things. Like around 2 to 5 kilometers radius or 1 kilometers radius, you will find around 10 international schools and around 15 colleges and many more things, like intermediate or engineering level. And here pharma industry and many more things, like connectivity is very excellent, and walkable distance from the 150 feet road. So here the facility wise is very excellent, and separate clubhouse and 6 towers 756 units, very good construction in the quality of like there compared to the other communities which are existing nearby here, like gated communities. Around here you can find the around 6 to 8 gated communities are there. In that top one rating Risinia Skyon in the Bachupally, a good gated community. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and stay with us Don't miss this opportunity to stay with us and stay, and for any type of property please approach us some cases. Like if you have your own requirement also, we will fulfill and get inventory for your exact requirement, and will share with you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't miss this opportunity to stay with us. We have HMD, DTCB, RERA approved residential open plots, apartments, flats, commercial spaces, and also deals all well noted, connected nationwide. We have like property. We also deals with the resale type of properties inside of triple R up to triple R.